Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the bench right away. We posted yesterday and now today. This was a great success, the sale of the GHAD 39 Gahleri Airbrush. This is it right here. And price was about $30 on sale, and I think it's about the best deal out there for a quality entry-level airbrush. And that's besides the point. You can watch that other video. But I knew when I saw the line on the Amazon page, percentages that were sold, we were gonna knock that out of the park probably within the hour, and we did. And then I guess it reflected back to the $45, $50 price point, and I got acknowledged from Gahleri themselves. We contact each other through Instagram, and because there's a time zone difference, and this went on overnight. So what they went ahead and did for us is they put a sale back up with an automatic coupon, and I'm going to show you what they did. All right, I'm going to go right to my page. Here's their Instagram, Gahleri Official, and here's what they did. They put a coupon on the site. So hit the link below, and you're going to come in, and there's going to be a coupon that you check off, and this one obviously is redeemed. And it adds 30% off of the price. And then once you get to the cart, when you go to your payment section, you automatically got this, which puts it in the $30 range, low $30 range, I guess. And then if you want, I think they gave me another code. I'm going to show you what they did for me. When you go to the payment section, select a payment method. At the very bottom where there's gift cards and stuff, you'll see it. It'll say enter a promo code. Oh, see it right there? Enter a promo code, and you're going to put it in there and hit enter, and you can see if it goes through, it'll light up green. I think that's going to give us a few extra bucks off, so they can kind of continue on with the sale. And they acknowledged it here. They tried to leave a feedback. We left a comment on the official account for us to understand. They tried to put a comment on my page, and it got pulled for some reason, I guess because they thought it was something else. See, I also left in a comment. Anyway, here it is. So the sale did end. However, we set up a new 30% official discount coupon, which is clipped directly for the product. Then during checkout, you can also apply the discount with code 97WBS9KA to enjoy maximum discount availability. I don't know what that code is. If you have troubles with this code, leave a comment. Gahleri, I'm sure I told them they'll answer all the comments. This is the comment we tried to post, but it seems unable to leave successful as the system removed it. So I told them that's okay. The video, I'll tell them later today. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm leaving the video. I'll put the code below. You guys don't have to see it there. You can pause it right now, too, if you want to put that code in. But it's automatically going to be 30% through my link, but you're going to have to clip the coupon. Apply it at checkout. Save 30%. All right? So that's the situation. I get a lot of back and forth, and I couldn't keep up. The sale's over. Then I put in a new, the new link, and all day I was doing it, and finally we worked out that situation. But again, I had to put the video up so you guys can see it directly, because you see a new video up, you guys will click it, and yeah, the brush is worth $30 all day long. So that is that. Again, if there's any trouble, leave a comment. I'm sure Gahleri, they will pick up your comments. I don't forget, it'll be late at night. I believe they're in Taiwan. But they're active in the community. They'll see it, and they'll reply back. They're very, very good customer service. They always talk to everybody. So that's the situation with that. And one other thing I'm going to let you guys know, and it's been a while. My paint is back in stock. Now, the whole paint line is in my paint line with Robot Kai, my metal paints. You can see the representation of the cats right there. They are all back in. Look at that. That's Glacier Blue, Lithium Lilac. Look at these beautiful colors. Seafoam Green is beautiful. They're all beautiful. Anyway, these are back in. Finally, they came in last night. All of them are back. Grab them while you can, because these things seem to sell. I got nice paint chips. Where's the rest of them? Well, I mean, you guys can see how beautiful these metallics are. Anodized metal look. And also the primers, which are fantastic. The primers are back in stock. White, gray, dark gray, pink, and black. So that is in. Let me get this out of the way. Fortunately, the lacquer, the thinner is on its way in. It didn't come in with this shipment. I'm gonna grab a bottle. They ordered, I think they ordered pallets of this stuff. The leveling thinner, my leveling thinner will be in soon. It's also, I think it's just behind the shipment of these. So this is soon. Grab these, man. I'll make an announcement in a video when this comes in because this stuff is popular and it seems like thinner is tough to get right now. I'll let you guys know the second this is in. But you're on the website and you put in your email on Robot Kai, they'll let you know when it's in. Like a lot of you guys probably, I hope if you put your email in, you got noticed that my new colors are back in stock. Here's black iron. Look at that. All right, metallic gray, flamingo alloy, steel, seafoam, burnt iron, steel salmon, starlight gold, coral alloy. Where are we here? Champagne gold and just plain old silver. They come up with a fancy name for that one. The coral alloy is beautiful too. Look at that. So these paints are fantastic. They're super thick. You could pretty much quadruple the amount that you get in this by thinning them at minimum 50-50. I would thin them even further than that. Probably 30% paint, 70% thinner. Again, grab these while you can. Don't wait for the thinner because these might sell out again. I don't know. They sold really well the last time. The thinner sold out. Took a little longer, but we had a lot of thinner in stock. But this will be in soon. I'll let you guys know right away. And also have some positive news with these guys. I have a set of metallic markers coming out in a collaboration with these guys. And I have new candy colors coming very soon too. So onward and upward with our collaboration with Robot Kai. So we have a lot of nice stuff coming out. But anyway, I will let you guys know that these colors, where's the rest of these chips? Are back in stock. I think they're above us right here. Here we go. Look at that. So these are some more of the metal colors. Look at that. Is there any more here? What do we got here? So beautiful colors. And grab them while you can. All right? There you go, guys. That is the video. And again, just do what I told you here. And click the coupon that's on Amazon, and you should be good to go. We're going to run the sale, I believe, through mid to late April, so you guys have a chance of grabbing one. And that is all. We will see you on the second half of the weekend here and with another video. And yeah, this is just a little mini bonus video to carry on with the rest of the weekend. Anyway, let's go listen to some Joe Stump, The Ferrymen, and Yorn, one of my favorite lead singers. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend. We will see you by the end of the weekend. And God bless you all. Have a great day.